Imagine turning a single image into a captivating video. Welcome to the groundbreaking world of Stable Video Diffusion or Stable Diffusion Video Model. Hello, and welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary, Stable Video Diffusion by Stability AI. This tool is changing how we think about video creation with AI. Stable Video Diffusion isn't just another AI video generator tool. It's a leap into the future of generative AI. Stay with us as we explore how this model is transforming images into dynamic videos and setting new standards in AI-driven creativity. If you're as excited about AI innovations as we are, hit that subscribe button and get ready for an in-depth look at Stable Video Diffusion. Ready to unveil the magic? Let's get started. Now, let's dive into what Stable Video Diffusion really is. This isn't just a new tool. It's a significant breakthrough in AI video generation. Released just a few days ago by Stability AI, this model is a first-of-its-kind foundation model for generative video. You can find the code on GitHub, and the required weights to run the model locally are available on Hugging Face. Stable Video Diffusion is based on the image model Stable Diffusion and comes with impressive capabilities. For the tech enthusiasts, there's a research paper detailing its technical prowess. It's a must-read to understand its full potential. Currently in research preview, Stability AI has big plans for this model. They're working on an ecosystem of models similar to what's built around Stable Diffusion, expanding the horizons of AI in video. With such potential, let's talk about how adaptable Stable Video Diffusion is and the applications it opens up. Stick around. Adaptable to numerous video applications. Imagine an AI that can tailor itself to different video needs. That's exactly what Stable Video Diffusion offers. Its adaptability is one of its key strengths. A great example is its ability for multi-view synthesis from just a single image. This means you can create various perspectives of a scene, enhancing the depth and richness of your videos. And there's more on the horizon. Stability AI is planning a range of models building on this base, similar to the thriving ecosystem around Stable Diffusion. Excitingly, there's an upcoming text-to-video interface. It's set to showcase how Stable Video Diffusion can revolutionize sectors like advertising, education, and entertainment. Don't miss signing up for the waitlist. Stable Video Diffusion isn't just versatile, it's also powerful. Up next, let's check out its performance capabilities and why they're turning heads. Competitive and performance. Stable Video Diffusion isn't just about versatility, it's also about performance. Let's delve into what makes this model a standout performer in the AI video generation space. The model comes in two forms, capable of generating 14 and 25 frames. What's more, you can customize the frame rates, anywhere between 3 and 30 frames per second, giving you control over the smoothness and detail of your videos. In user preference studies, these models have already shown to surpass leading closed models. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the quality and user experience. Currently in their foundational form, these models are just the beginning. Stability AI is continuously evaluating and improving them based on external feedback. While we're amazed by its performance, it's crucial to remember that Stable Video Diffusion is still in its research phase. Let's talk about what that means next. Research and development focus. As exciting as Stable Video Diffusion is, it's important to remember that it's currently a research tool. Stability AI is focusing on refining the model based on community feedback and safety concerns. The model is not intended for real-world or commercial applications at this stage. It's a critical point to understand for anyone experimenting with this technology. Community input is vital. Your feedback on the model's safety and quality helps shape its development, ensuring it matures responsibly and effectively. Stability AI is committed to updating their models with the latest advancements. The potential of Stable Video Diffusion is vast, and with each update, we move closer to realizing that potential. Stable Video Diffusion is just one piece of the puzzle. Up next, let's explore the broader range of open-source models offered by Stability AI and how they're contributing to the AI revolution. Stability, AI's diverse AI model portfolio. Stability AI isn't just about video diffusion. Their portfolio spans an impressive range of AI models. Let's take a moment to appreciate the breadth of their contributions to AI. From image and language models to advancements in audio, 3D, and code, Stability AI's suite of tools showcases their dedication to diversifying AI applications. Each model in their portfolio is crafted with the goal of amplifying human intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Moreover, their commitment to the open-source community is commendable. By making their models widely accessible, they're fueling innovation and collaboration worldwide. Now that we've seen the big picture, let's focus on how you can practically use Stable Video Diffusion and where to find its code. Practical usage and GitHub code. Interested in trying out Stable Video Diffusion for yourself? The good news is that the model code is available on GitHub. This means you can download it and start experimenting right away. In the GitHub repository, you'll find all the necessary instructions and documentation to get started. Whether you're a developer or a tech enthusiast, the setup process is straightforward. Once you have the model running, the possibilities are endless. You can use it for academic research, creative experiments, or just to explore the capabilities of AI in video generation. Remember, as a community, we play a crucial role in evolving these models. By using Stable Video Diffusion and sharing your experiences, you contribute to the collective learning and improvement of AI technology. Now, let's see Stable Video Diffusion in action. I'll show you some incredible example videos created using this model. Demonstration of example videos. Let's witness the magic of Stable Video Diffusion through some real examples. These videos highlight the model's versatility and creativity. First up, we have a demo by Deddy. He used Stable Video Diffusion along with Topaz Labs to interpolate from 6 FPS to 24 FPS. Notice the smoothness and clarity in the video. Next is Anu Akash's work. He used Midjourney image to video and compared the results with videos created by Pika Labs, Runway, and Stable Video Diffusion. The differences are quite fascinating. Here's another example from Persbeats, who used Creative Commons images with Stable Video Diffusion. The resulting video showcases how imagination can be brought to life. These examples are just a glimpse into what's possible with Stable Video Diffusion. The creative potential is enormous, limited only by your imagination. I encourage you to experiment with Stable Video Diffusion. Whether you're a creator, a student, or just an AI enthusiast, this tool offers a new canvas for your ideas. That's a wrap on our journey with Stable Video Diffusion. If you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI insights. Share your own creations or thoughts in the comments below. Can't wait to see what you'll create with AI. Until next time, keep exploring and stay innovative.